Like many people, I have files stored in online locations, such as Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox. To save me having to download those files and upload them again into Fusion, we've created a virtual folder that you can use. So I'm going into My Files, and I'm going to create a special virtual folder that allows me to reach into my OneDrive and pull out some files to use directly inside Fusion. So the first thing I do is I add a new folder, I give it a name, and I tick this box to connect it to an online service. Now the one I'm going to link to is an Office 365 OneDrive, so I'm going to tick on that and say Continue. It then asks me to connect to my OneDrive. I only have to do this once, and that will establish a connection between Fusion and my OneDrive. When I click Connect, it takes me to Microsoft to fill in my credentials, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now as soon as I've put in my credentials, you can see I'm still in Fusion here, but I'm also inside my Microsoft OneDrive, and it's offering me an opportunity to disconnect if I want to. But if I want to take one of these files, for example this PDF, and use it in Fusion, I just have to add it to my clipboard. And then I can go off and go to anywhere I want to, for example my files, go to the clipboard, and I can just import that file. And that file is now inside my files on Fusion. You can see inside my files that here is my OneDrive. This is the folder that I created, and if I click on it, it takes me into my OneDrive files. So that's how to connect your cloud storage with Fusion.